Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best futon mattress. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss futon mattress which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Japanese Floor Futon Mattress. Japanese Floor Mattress is our first choice. This mattress is designed with polyester, memory foam and microfiber, which will ensure that you have the comfort and support you are looking for. It has a thickness of 17 centimeters before quilting. The top to bottom layers are around 6 centimeters thick and are made using polyester, then the middle layer is made using high-quality foam with a thickness of around 5 centimeters. The foam layer is upgraded to ensure that you have enough support and that the mattress does not collapse easily. This Japanese-style futon mattress offers wide versatility since it can be used as a sleeping mat, floor mattress, Japanese bed mat, kids play mat, or floor pillow bed. The amazing bit is that it is highly portable and you can carry it in your car whenever you are traveling. However, it is important to note that you should dry it under the sun when you first purchase the mattress to recover its thickness. Pros. Ideal option as a mattress for a guest room. Affordable great floor mats for kids. Soft feel yet very supporting. Cons. Some find it too thin for comfort. Number 2. FULI Japanese Futon Mattress. FULI Japanese Traditional Shiki Futon High-Grade Floor Mattress is another great option that you should check out. It is manufactured in Japan using the popular Japanese Shiki design. These mattresses weigh around 30 pounds and have mattress toppers made of 100% cotton. The stuffing is made of 3 polyester layers to provide enough comfort and support. The amazing bit is that this mattress can be used as a floor and a traditional mattress. Again, it is available in different sizes, including the twin, full, king and queen sizes. Furthermore, these futon mattresses are fairly priced, and they will fit perfectly on the frame. Finally, if you purchase this product from Amazon and don't like it for some reason, you can return it within 30 days, which is one of the top deals you can get. Pros. Weighs less than 30 pounds. It is 2 pieces of furniture in one. 3 layers for thickness. Cons. Large sizes are a bit hard to fold up. Number 3. Milliard Memory Foam Futon Mattress. Per Kushner's recommendation, memory foam is a great choice for futon beds. This ultra-comfy mattress is 8 inches thick, with 4 inches of high-density foam at the base and 2 inches of responsive memory foam on top. The result? A supremely soft yet supportive sleeping experience. This mattress also has a machine-washable bamboo fabric cover and a grippy bottom to prevent it from slipping off the futon frame. One thing to note is that the foam isn't CertiPUR-US certified. And although the futon comes in one size, full, most futon frames are designed to accommodate full-size mattresses. Pros. Plush yet supportive. Washable cover. Non-slip bottom. Cons. Only one size. Number 4. EMOOR Japanese Futon Mattress. Interested in a traditional futon mattress? Check out the Emor Shika Futon. The triple-layer design features a firm pad sandwiched by 2 polyfiber layers. Instead of stitching all the layers together, it's quilted only on the outside to prevent compression. This sleeper isn't merely inspired by Japanese-style futons, it's actually made in Japan by skilled craftspeople. Though it's thinner than others on this list, 2.5 inches is standard for traditional shikibutons. Available in 7 sizes, you can place it directly on the floor or on top of any slatted bed. Since it's not washable, we recommend buying a cover separately. Pros. Traditional design. Made by skilled craftspeople. 7 sizes available. Cons. Relatively thin. Number 5. Maxyoyo Folding Japanese Futon Mattress. If you're looking for something that folds into a futon frame without a fuss or rolls up for easy storage, we suggest Maxyoyo. This mattress is 5 inches thick and features a memory foam core surrounded by 2 layers of quilting. The foam isn't CertiPUR-US certified, but this multi-layer sleeper is designed to encourage airflow. While the soft polyester cover isn't removable, it comes in a whopping 15 different colors. Not only that, but all 4 sides are reinforced to prevent you from sinking in when you sit down. Even without a futon frame, the foldable, rollable design can be set up in a pinch to accommodate guests. Pros: versatile. Edge support. 15 colors available. Cons: cover isn't removable or washable. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.